Everyone, welcome to another great day here in Arizona. I thought I'd do something a little different with this video. On Saturday, a non-work day here at APS, my son and I grabbed the drone and captured some footage of the APS campus that I wanted to share with you. So, fun fact, we invested in this entire development just before COVID, and then we built the whole thing during COVID, taking occupancy in April of 2021. So what you're seeing here, this is Aviation Performance Solutions. And everything here is built for our sole purpose. We help pilots bring everyone home safely. We've been doing this for over 30 years, and this facility represents what we've learned about what actually works and what truly transforms pilot performance. On the right side, you're looking at our primary operational facility. Shows about 25,000 square feet with classrooms, advanced simulation, virtual reality, and a fleet of piston and jet aircraft, all integrated by design, because effective training isn't about checking a box. It's about preparing pilots to perform under pressure. And that matters because loss of control in flight remains aviation's leading cause of fatalities. The industry knows this, but knowing isn't enough. What matters is whether training actually prepares pilots for the unexpected. That's why everything here is built around integrated competency-based training, aircraft simulation, academics, working together as a system. We call it a mastery-based approach, tailored to what pilots fly, where they operate, and how they operate. Because in the real world, that's exactly how pilots have to perform. And that's what this represents. Not just a facility, but a commitment to readiness, so that when something unexpected happens, pilots know exactly what to do to save lives every time. More to come.